Good morning, guys. This is your girl Kay. It's a rainy day today, and it soaked my plants really bad. Look at that. But I'm sure they're enjoying it. I hope. Here's an update on the tomatoes. They're doing pretty good. Yep. And my spinach, the rain just tore it down, so I'm not sure it's flowering as well. So I should have some seeds soon that I'm definitely gonna keep. Yep, it's growing well. Got my green bell pepper back here trying to do something. It's coming back to life. And my hot pepper plants. So you guys have a good day. See you soon.